Once upon a time, in a colorful world called VocabLand, words were meant to be fun and powerful. Kids memorized long word lists, and learning started to feel hard and confusing. Many kids started to believe vocabulary just wasn't for them. That's when Timo the Word Scout realized the problem wasn't the kids, but how words were taught. In VocabLand, Timo explores words, and each one becomes a new power. With his trusty notebook and a curious heart, Timo turns tricky words into fun adventures. As Timo explores VocabLand, each word comes to life and helps you grow. With Timo the Word Scout, words become an adventure.